I just made my protein ice cream or protein shake. It's got protein and collagen in it. Here, if you want to check it out. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna need is a blender, some ice, milk, which is what I'm using here, regular whole milk. This one is an unsweetened almond milk. A little bit of salt if you like that. Some sweetener if you like to add some flavor to it. And collagen from Perfect Keto that I like to put in there, and it's totally unflavored, so it's really clean and plain. If you add some protein powder, I have a couple different kinds. This is a whey protein powder, and I also have egg white protein, and you can also get it plain or with flavored versions. So there's so many different options and variations that you can do. You basically just need ice, some milk, some collagen, protein powder, and then sweeteners or flavorings to go with it. Right, so I'm going to add in the collagen and protein. So I'll put in the protein first and some collagen powder in there. And I've already added a little bit of sea salt. I'll add a little dash more. I like it to taste a bit like a milkshake. So put some sodium in there, and then I'm going to add in the ice. I find the more ice added in, the better kind of texture that it gets. More of like a thicker ice cream like flavor, but less ice makes it more of like a milkshake form. Add in the ice there, and you want to use a pretty good quality blender. This one I have is specifically for making these kinds of shakes. All right, so we'll just blend that up. See, the texture of it is really nice and creamy. It's kind of like a milkshake, kind of like a protein ice cream, but that is the protein collagen ice cream or shake, and it tastes so good and so good for healthy hair, skin, and nails, and your joints as well. It is so delicious, and I'm gonna go enjoy this now. You can see it just makes such a yummy, chunky texture. Just like an instant ice cream. It's full of protein and collagen, which is great for building muscle and for healthy skin, hair, and nails, and I'm gonna enjoy this delicious treat. It really just tastes like a milkshake like when you're a little kid, especially with the salt in there. So nice on a hot day.